Hi guys, it's me, Gamer Lad, back with another video. Well, today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers on an arcade.
I'm just gonna sit here now. I'm gonna tell you.
I'm a new little nugget.
Oh, okay. Monte.
Alright, we started. Alright, and
Okay. I don't get
alright, when my game's lagging right now because there's some stuff going on it. Alright, here we go. Why can't I move? I missed that whole chunk going. Can't move. Can't move. I have 34 of those out of 40, bro.
Hey, Monte. At least we're outside now.
Get these boots, Jane. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm definitely getting that.
I'm just going.
It hurt, boy. This game's so laggy all of a sudden. I've been playing, it wasn't all laggy like this. But I'll take it. I only need 5 more goes. And then I completed it. Okay, thank you. I'm better than all. It's so laggy.
Why aren't you dying?
It's lagging. 286. Let me get that. Monies. Get that monies. I just got $800. I have 41.7 at the 41.9K. I'm doing good. Let me show you my skins that I have on this game. This is the Facebook special. So yeah, let me show you my skins that I got. Skins I got is right here on me. I get it. The skins are on me. Alright. This thing's live, so I'm gonna have to get to it in a little bit. Alright, there's something probably like going on. It's probably there's like ad going on. Let me play a game. Okay.
Come on, you all play against each other?
I have 25.6K trophies. And I have 41.9K trophies. I mean coins. I have 10 keys. Dang, bro. I'm going hard. I think I'm gonna log out of the server. I gotta log out of the server right quick and get back in the server because my thing I have to be standing on the giant. No, man. Alright. Alright, now I can show you skins. Alright, I have Dino. I have this one. I have this one. I want that one. I can't hack though. I wish I had me. Alright, and I have them. 60 keys for her. God, gee. I only have 3 days left to get all. Yo. I can get him. I'm not wasting my coins. I can get. Well, I can't get them. Can't. Wait, I can. No, I can't. I can get her. She's only 7,000. I can get him. Wait, 20,000. I can get all of them. Except for some of them. See, I can't get him. Can't get him. I cannot get her. I can get her. I can get all of them. Except I can get 1, 2. No, I can't. I can't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I only get 5 of them. But no, I'm not getting them because it's wasting my coins. And I got the Facebook special. I'm going to be Jake. This one. I'm going to be this one. Jake go hard.
When you wake up, you'll be there.
Alright, so I'm going to hit play.
When you wake up,
I know I passed the boots. I don't really like the boots.
you'll be there.
Yeah, I don't really like the boots. They give me bad fortune. The boots give me bad fortune. Alright.
Huh. I know where everybody is.
Alright.
Excuse me.
Oh my god. That was so close though. No, I keep missing the footballs. Get it? Psych, that he was.
Look.
Please don't run out of me now. Ooh, football. Yes. I would have had like 38. Hit, boom. No! My thing lagged out. My thing lagged out. So what happens when my thing lags out? Give me that board. Dang, bro.
See.
Give me that board, though. Oh my god. Daddy, I used the key. Dang. I'm on the level. I'd be top scorer. Oh, let's go. No! I'm using a free one. I'm about to beat their score. Alright, load an ad. No one cares about them, but okay. It's fine. Alright, load an ad. Alright, I gotta wait for this to load.
Where'd it go?
I should have used the 2 keys. I don't even care really about the keys. Well,
Maybe we could play against each other. Ooh.
wait. I'll freaking report this. Play the freaking ad. I think I hit something. Hey. Get up. Shit. Alright. Gotta watch the ad.
Do you really? Stay away or I
Let go. Come here.
stay away.
Go, come.
Monte, look, stay away or I will have to.
Alright. I just got a free one. Yeah, so. Alright, I'm about to do this thing. Alright. Hey, let's go. Try to keep lagging. See what I mean? It keeps See what I mean? It keeps lagging. Come here. Come here. Dang, bro. I'm about to use all my keys. I'm about to buy some more anyway. Dang. This person's good.
You want to play with me?
I just said no, Jelani.
Why don't you? Did you unlock the robot? Is it on hard mode? Because everything looks so fast.
Alright, I'm going hard.
Huh?
I did good, peoples of Alaska. I did good, peoples of Alaska. I did good. I tried. Dang, that was my new high score. God dang, bro. And I can get 1,051 coins. Hit it hard, boy. I'm about to get it. I'm about to get my coins. I'm about to get my cash back. I'm about to get my coins. I'm about to get my cash back. I'm about to get my cash back. Bucket. 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 More. Hacker. Noob. Pro. Hacker. New pro hacker. Yacker with the decker. I don't want it. And I go from the upside down. I got the coins. I just got the coins. Yes.
Monte, who killed all these?
Alright.
It looks like they had the gun that puts a needle into it. I have
Alright. Gotta go hard now. Boom. Alright, this video I'm about to get all 40 of them.
up his body.
I'm gonna get all of them. That was harsh, dude. That was crazy. I wish
Oh.
I wish when you when you get the magnet, everything just comes on the magnet, so I can get everything. So for these stupid boots, stupid boots, stupid boots, stupid boots.
Oh.
Dang, what was that for? I'm about to use all my keys. I don't know, what was that for? All my keys right there. I did not say an ad. You could stop now. I ain't say no use it. Ooh. I ain't say use an ad. Go from Meep City. Alright, starting now. Dang. I'm laying down. That's probably the problem. I'm not good when I'm laying down. So let me get up. Go for me, Sneak. Dang it. Alright. Dang.
Fontaine.
No, what was that?
Stop. Monte, there's a killer on the loose, and it's me. And just look what I'm doing to somebody. Please stop.
Dang it. I'm using all my keys. I just lost all my keys. Poor keys.
Oh,
Poor keys lost.
Stop. Please.
Hey, let's go! I got all of them. Dang it. Well, that was cool. I just got all of them. I got a spray paint.
Stop. Please. Where's it? Where are you?
That's all. Like, I have 40. Oh!